Sunrise paints the window pane, a gentle dream, an endless lane. Your shadow dances in the breeze. My worried heart finds sweet ease. I've waited for this moment long, a silent prayer, a hopeful song. Oh, forever starts right here with you. A promise whispered strong and true. Through every season, come what may, I'll cherish you each passing day. My love for you, a timeless grace, lost in the warmth of your embrace. With every breath my heart believes in this love that